Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17 on Rocky Linux 10.0. Okay, first open any web browser. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. Then click on download. Then select Linux. Then click on Red Hat or Rocky or Alma Linux. Then see here the PostgreSQL M repository currently supports on Red Hat, Rocky Linux, Alma Linux and Fedora. Select the version. Then select the platform. See here we have the Red Hat, Rocky or 10 version. Select it. See, once you selected, it populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed. So copy these commands one by one. So first it is going to install this repository RPM. Copy it, open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user. It is done. Control A. Now disable if there are any inbuilt PostgreSQL modules. Paste it, hit enter. Control A. Now install PostgreSQL 17. Sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 17-server. If you want to install 16, just give 16. Okay. Hit enter. Type Y. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL server and its dependencies. Type Y and hit enter. Type Y and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl post status PostgreSQL -17. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL server is installed, but it is not started and disabled. Quit. So run these commands one by one. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now start the PostgreSQL server. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is running. Also enable it. It is done. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. This is the PSQL version, not the PostgreSQL server version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL server version, we have to run select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL server 17.5. Now verify list of databases /l. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL server. You can also verify the list of the databases by running the command select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the databases. Let us create a database. Create database. Verify again. See, new database is created. Let us insert some data into this table. So let us create a table in this database. So first we have to switch to database by using \c or \connect. then provide the name of the database, control it, /dt. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create a table. Create table. See, we have a table. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the list of the users. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres. I forgot to tell you. First, we have to set the password for this Postgres user, which is the super user. Alter user Postgres with password. We have successfully set. Now create user. Create user. /du. See, we have created user. Now exit from the PostgreSQL server and connect with this new user. To exit, we have to use the command /q PSQL -u must be caps. Username is David -h localhost, because PostgreSQL is installed on this PC. -d database name is Postgres. Hit enter, then provide the password of this user that we have created. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current _ user. See, we have logged in to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Okay. Now try to access the database that we have created. See, we have successfully connected, but try to run the query against the table that we have created. See, permission denied for the table customer, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. We must grant the privileges. /q is to quit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server. But we can't start with this Postgres user. So exit. Now sudo systemctl start status PostgreSQL -17. Hit enter. Provide the password of this. See, PostgreSQL service started. Q to quit. Control A. Now stop it. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL -17. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. Okay, Q to quit. Control L. Also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su -postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So start it again. Exit from this Postgres user. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -17. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is active and running. Q to quit. Control A. Also try to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su -postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected. Exit. Again exit. Now restart it. Sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL -17. It is typo. We have successfully restarted. See, okay, Control A. You can also connect PostgreSQL server by using the most popular tools like pgadmin or dbeaver. Okay, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install pgadmin or dbeaver on Rocky Linux. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17.5 on Rocky Linux 10. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.